Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. That's right. What's today's video about? It's a comparison. We're gonna taste test 2 ribeyes. And one of them is gonna be with Uncle Steve Shake Competition Cow Powder, which is the one that I was going to use. So one steak's gonna have that on it. The other one is gonna have Competition Pig Powder, Uncle Steve Shake. All right. Actually, Daddy Dutch Barbecue approved. He won using this in a cook-off. That'd be Kent. I'll leave a link down below to Kent, and Uncle Steve's always down there. You can get your shakes there. Mention Papa Texas, you get something special or extra, however you want to say that. Anyway, the reason we're doing this, one's going to be cooked, one ribeye with this one ribeye with this one. The reason being is because Josh, the cooking cop and babe, and his son, well, they were supposed to both be ribeyes, but anyway, they did that, and his son picks the pig powder over the cow powder, and then Josh kind of agreed. I couldn't stand it. I went out and got 2 ribeyes, and I'm doing the same thing. We're going to do it on the Weber kettle, offset, and then we're going to sear it, and then we'll come back and I'll talk to y'all. If it's a little bit later, we get the lights out. All right, I might show you a little bit of the cook, but the main thing's gonna be this at the end. Hope you stick with it. Maybe somebody's gonna figure out how to win a set of this. You never know. It's probably possible, especially if I mention it. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, there's our 2 steaks offset. And this one over here, as you can see, is the cow powder. And this one's the pig powder. A little bit of difference in color. And what are we using? We're using the Smart Row. That's right, to gauge our temperatures. And the link to it is down below. Yeah, it's Papa Texas. Alright, now we're getting that shrimp going. The other thing I want to show you is this Smart Row. Anyway, the Smart Row, not only is it a temperature gauge that has 2 probes, one for your grill and one for your meats, it's also a timer. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to do about 3.5 minutes on each side. These jumbo boys, maybe a tad more. We will see. We got a little garlic seasoning on there. Yeah. Cheater garlic. That's what they call it. Yeah. All right. We're gonna do the comparison cooking. We're gonna check out which flavor I like best out of these 2. This one over here is the pig powder, and this is the cow powder. All right, and look, I got some shrimp, jumbo shrimp. Before I taste it, again, link down below. You got Uncle Steve Shake, and he's also on my main page, and you can get the shake you want. You mentioned Papa Texas, he throws in something extra for you. Yeah, it's my buddy. Now, also, we got Josh, the cooking cop and babe, link down below, where he did this with his son. And that's where I got this idea to try it myself. And also Kent, Daddy Dutch Barbecue, right here, he won using this in a competition. And here's where this comes in. If you're willing to do a comparison, a beef cook, does not have to be ribeye, just a beef cook on YouTube, and shouting Uncle Steve out, oh, you want Uncle Steve Shake in Papa Texas. Yeah, I tell you what, you leave a comment down below, one lucky winner will get one of each of these to do the video. And when you're done with the video, you're gonna have more of this to continue using, and you get a nice gift. 2 more things. I got one more Uncle Steve Shake hat inside. He sent me a bundle of them, but I got 1 left. Hey, Uncle Steve, can I have a couple more of those for the Lollapalooza meetup camping trip in 20 days? There's a couple people out there might want one. Anyway. Anyway, the way to win is let me know down in the comments that you're willing to make a video comparing these two on some beef. That's right. But the additional thing you gotta do is put in your comment hashtag Uncle Steve Shake and 2 periods after it. I gotta see the 2 periods. That brings it down to who really watched this part. Yeah. All right. Let's do this. All right. We're gonna start off with a little piggy. Let's do a little piggy taste. It does have good flavor. Oh, both these smell fantastic. Man, when I put them on a plate, took them inside, oh my goodness. I was real impressed with that. I'm smelling shrimp here. Let's move that over here. Garlic shrimp. All right. Here's the cow. I mean, I put a lot of seasoning on it. They're both good. We're gonna do this again. Real quick, I'm gonna say, while I've been eating on it inside after the video, so the piggy, what's our inside? The piggy, a little more smokier, I want to say, a little sweeter, and the cow one's a little more pepper. Both have fantastic flavors. I'm still a Gator Shake fan. I'm sorry. You take Gator Shake and the original and the spicier, and I mean, those are mine. But these work for you. Nothing wrong with them. They're right up there. All right, just wanted to throw that in. Back to Papa, I think. Yeah. I like the pepper now. All right, this one here has a little kick to it. Hard to explain, but there's a flavor that kicks in there. And I can understand why Josh's son picked that one. Yeah, I do like that one. Nice beef. All right. One more time. Let's go with the beef. On beef. Got a little ribeye. Like I said, I did put an abundance on there because I usually do. I put nothing else on it. I don't know. I thought it'd be a bigger split since they did that video, but I actually like both of them. They both work for Papa. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of this. I did not pick one over the other. I got some awesome, more Uncle Steve Shakes inside that I've never tried. Never tried. That'll be coming up here in a while. I've also got some Lito Cocinas enchilada seasoning coming up. That video's coming up. Probably when I get back from camping, it's gonna come up. Alright. It's Papa. It's Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Y'all have a fantastic week coming up. Stay 6 feet apart. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Merc. It's Papa.